Now that we already have our project created, let's go ahead and create our first Hello World program. And what this program is going to do, it will simply output the words Hello World on the console that I showed you in the last lecture. There are several ways that you can write something on the console or output something on the console, and I'm going to show you one of the ways. You have to simply write console dot. By writing console dot, we say that we want to access the console, and when we press the dot, we want to see what are the available actions that we have for the console and use one of these actions. As you can see, for the moment we don't have anything and we have red underline under the console. This is because we're missing something. It says that the name console does not exist in the current context, and to fix this, you can see that it also says show potential fixes. To fix this, we simply have to click on show potential fixes and click on the first using system. This is one of the usings that we deleted and now we need it, but Visual Studio will simply tell you whenever you need one of these usings that we deleted, and this is how you can add them. Another way that you can add these usings without using your mouse is by having your cursor inside the word that is giving you the error and simply clicking on Control plus dot like it says here. So Control dot, enter. And we have it fixed again. You can see that it lit up in green. So when we press the dot, you can see that now we have many different actions. These are called not actions, but they are called methods and properties. So the ones with the wrenches are called properties, and the ones with the purple cubes are called methods. Don't worry about this, we're going to talk about methods and properties later in the course. All you need to know about properties and methods for now is that the method is something that is going to do some action. It's going to execute some action, it's going to do something, and properties are things that will give you some values. They're not doing any actions, they're just going to give you some value about something. Like as you can see here, the property buffer height will give us the height of the console, it will give us some number, it will give us some value, and the method clear will execute the operation to clear everything from the console. This is all you need to know about methods and properties for the moment. Don't worry about it more than this. This is all you need to know. So we have to find our method writeLine. This is the method that we are going to use to output something on the console. So write the current line terminator to the standard output stream, which basically means it will write it on the console. So you have to write quotation marks, double quotation marks, and here inside the quotation marks you can write anything that you wish and you can output it on the console. So we're going to write hello world. At the end of each line of code you have to use a semicolon like this. If we run the project now by using the start without debugging or Control F5 like I showed you in the previous video, we're going to get hello world on the console, just like that. Again, I'm going to show you one little trick here, because you will have to write console writeLine so many times. It's basically something that we do all the time. We have a shortcut for that, and we can simply write CW. You can see that we have it says here code snippet for console.writeLine. Note, tap twice to insert the CW snippet. When you write CW and you press the tab key on your keyboard twice, like that, it automatically writes console writeLine for you and places your cursor inside the brackets, and you can directly start typing something that you want to type. So we can say I am learning C#, and we can place an empty row between these two sentences simply by writing CW, tap, and we leave it like that. Run the project, hello world, empty row, I'm learning C#. Perfect.